Where is the book? On the table. When do you study? At 6 p.m. Let's learn about prepositions of direction. Which way did you go? Towards the park. These small words are called prepositions in English.
What are prepositions? Prepositions are small words that show the relationship between a noun and other words in a sentence. They tell us where, location, in, on, at, under, when, time, in, on, at, for, how, method, by, with. Prepositions छोटे words हैं जो noun के साथ का relationship दिखाते हैं. ये बताते हैं कहाँ, location, कब, time, कैसे, method. Examples: the book is on the table, location. I study at 6 p.m., time. Prepositions of place. Key prepositions: in, inside. The cat is in the box. On top. The book is on the table. At, specific place. I am at home. Under, below. The dog is under the chair. Between, in the middle. Sit between me and her. Near, close to. The school is near my house. Behind, the house. Around, on all sides. Prepositions of time: in, months, years, seasons. I was born in January. On, days, specific dates. We meet on Monday. At, specific times. The class starts at 6 p.m. For, duration. I studied for 2 hours. During, throughout. It rained during the match. Before, earlier. Before the exam, study. After lunch, we played. Since, from point till now. I'm here since morning. Until, up to a time. Wait until I come back. Prepositions of direction show which way something moves or is oriented. Key prepositions: to, destination. I go to school. She gave it to me. From, starting point. I come from Delhi. The letter came from India. Into, entering. She walked into the room. He jumped into the water. Out of, coming out. He came out of the house. Get out of here. Towards, in the direction of. She walked towards the door. Run towards safety. Away from, moving away. Run away from the fire. Stay away from trouble. Through, passing via. We walked through the forest. Light comes through the window. Across, from one side to other. Walk across the street. Swim across the river. Along, following a line. Run along the path. Walk along the road. Past, going beyond. Walk past the shop. Drive past my house. Important differences: to, for specific destination. From, where you start. Towards, in the direction of. Away from, moving in opposite direction. अब बात करते हैं कुछ और important prepositions की जो रोज के English conversation में बहुत यूज होते हैं. सबसे पहला है to. To, direction या receiver बताता है. Example: I gave the book to my friend. अगला है from. इसका यूज स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट या सोर्स बताने के लिए होता है. एग्जाम्पल: आई कम फ्रॉम दिल्ली. विद का मतलब होता है किसी के साथ. एग्जाम्पल: आई वेंट विद माई ब्रदर. विदाउट का यूज एब्सेंस यानी किसी चीज के बिना के लिए होता है. एग्जाम्पल: डोंट गो विदाउट योर जैकेट. अब आता है ऑफ. ये पोजेशन या बिलोंगिंग दिखाता है. एग्जाम्पल: द कलर ऑफ द स्काई. बाय का यूज एजेंट या मेथड बताने के लिए होता है. एग्जाम्पल: द लेटर वॉज सेंट बाय पोस्ट. अबाउट का मतलब होता है किसी टॉपिक के बारे में. एग्जाम्पल: टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ. और लास्ट है थ्रू. इसका यूज किसी चीज के अंदर से या उसके बीच से गुजरना बताने के लिए होता है. एग्जाम्पल: वी वॉक्ड थ्रू द फॉरेस्ट. इन सब प्रेपोजिशंस को याद रखो और डेली इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्जेशन में इनका यूज करो. कॉमन मिस्टेक्स. मिस्टेक 1. Wrong. I go to school at morning. Right? In the morning. Why? Use in with morning, evening, night. Mistake 2. Wrong. I am standing on the queue. Right? In the queue. Why? Use in with queue, line. Mistake 3. Wrong. I will come in next week. Right? Next week. No preposition. Why? Don't use preposition before next, last, this. Mistake 4. The book is in the shelf. Write on the shelf. Why? Use on for items on furniture. अब देखते हैं कितना आपने सीखा है. स्क्रीन पर दिए गए हर सेंटेंस में सही preposition चूज कीजिए. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Question 1. The cat is sitting the table. Options: on, in, at. Correct answer: on. The cat is sitting on the table. Question 2. I go to school Monday. Options: on, in, at. Correct answer: on. I go to school on Monday. Question 3. The exam will be 2 hours. Options: for, in, during. Correct answer: for. The exam will be for 2 hours. Question 4. She walked the park. Options: through, in, at. Correct answer: through. She walked through the park. Question 5. The key is the door. Options: in, on, at. Correct answer: in. The key is in the door. Question 6. We studied the morning. Options: in, at. Correct answer: in. The letter was sent by post. Options: by, with, from. Correct answer: by. Question 8. She comes Delhi. Options: from, to, at. Correct answer: from. She comes from Delhi. Question 9. I am sitting my friend. Options: with, to, from. Correct answer: with. I am sitting with my friend. Question 10. Wait, I come back. Options: until, in, for. Correct answer: until. Wait until I come back. आपके कितने आंसर सही हुए? अपना स्कोर कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताएं. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, डोगरा मॉन्क को सब्सक्राइब करें और इंग्लिश ग्रामर की कंप्लीट सीरीज देखना ना भूलें. So, remember, prepositions are small words that make a big difference. 3 main types: place, where; in, on, at, under, over; time, when; in, on, at, for, during; direction, which way; to, from, into, towards. Practice the examples. Try using prepositions in sentences. Subscribe to Dogra Monk for more grammar content. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.